If you want to close all running background apps on POCO M8 Pro, here's what you need to do. So first of all, we need to open the list of background apps, also known as recents. If you use 3 buttons for navigation, then you need to use the square button, and it looks like this. On the other hand, if you use gestures instead, you need to swipe from the bottom of the phone towards the middle and hold your finger for like half a second or so in the middle of the screen. So it looks like this. Now after that, you can of course close just one app by moving it left and right, but that also can be different. So if we go to arrange items in recents in the home screen settings, then over here we can use the vertical or horizontal style. So in the case of vertical style, we need to move left and right to close a single app, and in the case of horizontal style, we need to swipe up. And of course, regardless of which one you choose, you also have this X that allows you to just close every app that is opened. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.